Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do some more Go math, and it's exactly what we did yesterday, but we're going to go on. We're going to make a number pair for the number 6 and the number pair for 7. Oh, we're going to do a whole bunch for 6 and 7. And then we get a little break because we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday off. So if you can't get this all done in one day, because I think this is going to take a little bit more time than some of the other pages that we had last week. It's a lot like we did this at the beginning of the year when we were making numbers. When we learned about number 6, we had you take 6 of those counters and put them in a cup and shake them. Remember that? And maybe 3 would come out red and 3 would come out yellow. There are different ways to make the number 6. That's exactly what we're doing, but we're using the cubes, okay? So it says, place 2 colors of cubes on the cube train to match the addition sentence. Okay, 6 equals 5 plus 1. So how about 5 greens? You don't have to use the same colors as I am. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, when you make these, you should always have the little knob at the top. If you put it on the side, then you can't put the other one on. Well, you can, but you want this. There we go. Here, because then you can put the other bottom on top of this. They stack nice instead of sticking out on the side. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How about we'll do green and yellow? Okay, so we've got 6 altogether. 6 equals 5 plus 1. They told us which numbers to make, but they didn't tell us what colors. So if you wanted to do 5 blue and 1 red, you could. If you want to do 5 blue and 1 green, you could. And then I'm going to color that. All right, so I need to color it in to show exactly how I made this. So these pages are not hard. They are just a little time consuming. You're not just writing the numbers in, you're coloring to show me what colors you used and how you made your little Unifix train. They call it a train. I call it a train too. When I hold it up like this, I call it a tower, a Unifix, a cube tower. But when we lay them down, we call it a train. It looks like you've got all the train cars there. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing for 7, but let's use some different colors. Let's use here, since I already have this one pretty much built. Okay, it's telling us what to start with. We're gonna make 6, we're gonna add 1 more, and altogether that'll be 7, but it doesn't tell us what color. So let's see, how about red and, we used blue yesterday, so maybe red and orange, okay? There you go. I've got 6 red and 1 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 7. So let's go red and orange. I need to leave these crayons. I'm constantly digging for crayons in my basket. This looks red. Nope, that's violet. Okay, I found my red. I made 6 red and 1 orange. I'm going to go ahead and do these pages with you, but I may not do all of it because I think you guys understand. I'll just go over the directions and let you guys finish them on your own. And again, today is Thursday and we don't have school Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So if this is a little bit too much and you start getting tired, you could just do maybe half of it today and do the other half tomorrow when we don't have school. That's up to you. But you may want to just get it all done, right? And then you can have a nice day off. All right, now on the other side of this, we know that this is not the only way to make 6. So on the other side of this, we get to come up with all the other different ways, right? So I'm going to make 6. Let's start with a really easy one. I'm going to go red and yellow, just like our counters. So I've got 1, 2, 3 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here's one way. I'm not going to color that yet. I'm just going to write it down. One way to make 6 is 3 red and 3 yellows. Okay? What if I take one of those off and add another yellow? Then that makes another way to make 6. It's still 6. We're just making it a different way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time I have 2 reds. I guess this really doesn't take that long, does it? And 4 yellow. You don't have to color every single one. We only have to color one at the top. What if we take off another red and add one more. Every time I take one off, I have to replace it because we still want it to be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this time, oh, you know what? They already have that one. 1 red and 5. What if I flip it around? What if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow and 1? And then another way, I think on this one I will let you do this if you want. What if we do all yellows? Last time I said you had to have 2 colors, but this time if you want to just use 1 color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 yellows and I have 0. Look at all the different ways to make the number 6 with our Unifix cubes. Now I'm going to color in one of my favorite ways, all right? I kind of like the 3 plus 3. I'm going to do 3 reds and 3 yellows. Is one way to make 6. If you want to color a different way, you can. If you wanted to use 2 different colors than me, blue and yellow, you can. Okay, done with that. We're going to do the same thing for 7. Okay, all the different ways to make 7. This time I'll use the green. Let's use green and blue. We haven't done that yet. I'm going to start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 greens. We're making 7. 5, 6, 7. There's one way we can make 7. We could have 5 greens and 2 blues. You want to see a little shortcut, you guys? A little shortcut would just be to flip this around. We could do the opposite. Put the 2 first. It still makes 7, doesn't it? It's just we're doing it different ways. And it kind of speeds it up, makes it a little bit faster. I'm going to take 1 green off and add an extra blue. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 green. 4 green and 1, 2, 3 blue. Is it still 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Want to see my shortcut again? Flip it around, and now we have 3 blues and 4 greens. Okay, see how the numbers was 4 plus 3, and then when we flipped it around, it's 3 plus 4. But they're all different ways to make 7. Let's take another one off. I think I might have to take 2 off. Now let's do this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took 2 off. I'm going to add 2 more. 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How did I make it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 greens and only 1 blue. Now, okay, I do want you to color these, and I don't care which one you want to color. You could color 4 plus 3 or 6 plus 1 or 2 plus 5. You pick it out. I think I'll do this 4 plus 3. I'm going to do 4 blue. Ooh, just broke another crayon. I have broken a lot, haven't I? 1, 2, 3, 4. So color it in. Use 2 different colors. And show me one of the ways. What was your favorite way to make 7? We make 7 every single day on the calendar, don't we? Because there's 7 days a week and we always count them. Okay, here we go. And then we're going to do the last page on the other side. Remember, it's not hard. It does take a little time though, doesn't it? Okay, we just need to show one way to make 6, one number pair to make 6, and one number pair to make 7. On this one, we don't have to use the cubes, but on this one we do because they're already there. So do you remember one of the good ways to make 6? I'm going to use green and orange this time. What if we did 2 orange? If we had 2 orange, oh, sorry, I better follow the directions here. Peter and Grant have 6 toy cars. Peter has no cars. How many cars does Grant have? Okay, you guys picture these as toy cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If Peter doesn't have any, how many does Grant have? He must have them all, right? He must have all 6. So equals 6 plus 0. Since I already started coloring them like that, I'll just finish coloring them. All right, so I was ready to make up my own, and then when I read it down at the bottom, you had to follow the directions down here. But on the last one, you can make up your own. Draw to show what you know about a number pair for 7. Should we do hearts like we did yesterday? But this time we're going to make 7. I'm going to make 7 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? I'm going to use red today. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 hearts red. And it's actually if you make all 7 hearts first, and then you decide what you want to color, then it's easy. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red, then how many pink am I going to have? 1, 2, 3, or you can make them purple if you want. I just like pink, especially for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have a really, really nice Valentine's Day on Sunday with your parents. All right, now I got to write those numbers down. I can do the 1, 2, 3, 4 red first, or I can do the 1, 2, 3 pink first. It doesn't matter. 4 red plus 3 pink hearts equals 7 altogether. And we are done. That was a lot of work, wasn't it? Okay, you guys did a great job. Now, I don't need to see all 4 pages. You decide which ones you want to show me. You could take a picture of these 2 and upload. You can take a picture of these 2, or you can go like this, or you can go like that, this. The reason I say 2 pages is if you just take a picture of this, then I'm not sure if you did the other one. If you just take a picture of this, then I'm not sure if you did this one. I'll think, oops, maybe they didn't understand. So if you take pictures of both, then I know at least you did the right pages, right? Okay, have a nice, nice weekend. Bye.